Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to align all items vertically using the align items. Using align items property on a grid container will set the vertical alignment. So align items sets the vertical alignment, and then justify sets the horizontal alignment. We want to use it now to move all the items to the end of each cell. And once again, we're looking at this. We have our container, which is this box here. It's in light gray. And we're separating all the grid template columns. We're having them one fraction, so that because there's three fractions in whole, they're 1/3 of the size. We have the display set to grid. We have the width of the container to be 100%. That means that this container is the same size whether or not we stretch our window out and back like that. And then we grid template rows, and then we have a 10 pixel grid gap. This is all the stuff that we've been learning. And so as you can see, we're starting to be able to design things like this. So now what we want to do is set align items to be equal to the end. And so now we'll see all the boxes have shrunk down to the beginning. If we have it set to original, they're set to stretch, and we can set them also to end, which would make it so that they're at the bottom, and we could also do start, which would make it so that the items are at the top. But obviously the directions want us to do end, so we'll make it like that, and we run the test. We'll see they pass. Hope this helps, and we'll see you guys in the next lesson.